Is how to fix Zoom is unable to detect a camera in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, simply at first launch Zoom app, click on a small icon, your profile icon, and click on check for updates. If any updates available, you should install it and check whether your problem is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch any browser, click on three dot from the top right menu bar, choose settings. From the left pane, go to the privacy and security. Thereafter, go to the right side, and here you will find the option permission. Under permission, click on camera settings and make sure that block new requests asking to access your camera should be unchecked. If you found it checked, simply uncheck it and click on save changes. The next workaround to resolve this issue is right click on start button, choose settings. From the left menu, choose privacy and security. Thereafter go to right side, and here you will find the option camera. Click on it and scroll down and turn the toggle button on against option let desktop apps access your camera. Turn if you found it off, simply click to on. Next, again go to the Windows device manager, and you should update the camera driver. Click on camera, right click on your installed camera, choose update driver and choose search automatically for drivers, and Windows will install your latest version of your camera driver. Next, the last one is again go to Windows settings, or under system settings you will find the option troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot, and here you will find the option camera. Click on run the camera troubleshooter to resolve this issue. These all methods definitely will work you. You should apply one by one, and you will definitely fix the issue regarding Zoom is unable to detect a camera in Windows 11 and Windows 10. That's all.